Paying with a Zip card in store is a straightforward process, and today I'll show you how to do it. There are two options available if you have a physical Zip card, which resembles a regular debit card. You can simply use it like any other card at checkout. Just swipe or insert your card into the store's card reader, and you're good to go. However, if you have a virtual Zip card, the process is slightly different. Start by opening the Zip application on your device. Navigate to the In-Store tab, where you'll find an option to generate a Zip card. Once generated, you'll notice that the card has a zero balance. Tap on the card to add funds to it. After adding money to your virtual Zip card, you have two options for making in-store purchases. You can either link it to your Apple Pay account, allowing you to make contactless payments using your Apple Wallet, or you can provide the card details manually at checkout. If you choose the manual option, simply provide the store with your Zip card number, name, CVV, and any other required information. The store will process your payment accordingly. By following these steps, you can easily make in-store purchases using your Zip card, whether it's physical or virtual, providing you with a convenient payment method for your shopping needs.